The topic of today's video is how to verify your Paysend account. Now, I believe for different countries it will be different, but for me, the only thing I needed to verify after signing up was my email. Now, you will get a big pop-up telling you to verify your email, but if you don't get that, you can probably find it on the notifications on the top right. You see a bell icon there, and if you click in that, it will ask you to verify. If not, then you don't need to do any type of verification. Anyhow, when you click in there, they will send you a verification email and it'll look like this. And all you need to do is to click on confirm email. Once you do that, it'll take you back to Paysend and it'll tell you you have the go-ahead, you have been verified. And that is pretty much all there is to it, guys. You now have access to Paysend. If you're considering using Paysend, we have a link for it in the description of this video, so definitely check that out. Thank you so much for watching. I know it was a short one today, but don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.